What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all had an awesome weekend. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. Let me show you the clip from my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. And then I'll be looking for the possible major double bottom pattern. Now, if you have a double bottom at my rejection zone, which is right, this little yellow line, if we have a price push down, forms a bullish engulfer on a nice 382 candle. If you have a condition, we have a buy signal, and we can see a massive push up out of natural gas here as well. Now, again, on a daily time frame, we are still above 50 EMA. If the next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfing pattern, that will still push the price higher, which is likely. Perfect. So as you can see, the price has formed a double bottom pattern and opened below in gap, but did come back above my rejection box. Using some discretion a bit, that the candle has opened bit below, but it's still a green candle. That is why we can still consider it as a valid double bottom. And right from the close, the price did push up. Now, so before I continue, if you have still not followed me on Telegram, please do so, because I do send market watch reports every week, which is free for you, which you can also download straight away from my website. The link is in the description, and it's money marker signals right here, as you can see, which is my Telegram channel. So what to expect from here? And if you can see, we're also getting a nice double bottom pattern with bullish engulfer right on a daily time frame as well. So that also shows a good bullish pressure on a higher time frame, and that shows that the price will likely to push higher, as we have failed to break and close below these lows. Shows the buyers are still in control. But again, on smaller time frame, if you wish to, you can still look for the bearish trades with conditions only. Now, as we have bounced up nicely from the level of support, and now we are heading towards 50 EMA, which is a crucial area from where we can see another push down. Now, looking at this good bullish momentum, we have a good chance the price can still break above 50 EMA. But all I'm waiting for the price to form a bearish engulfing pattern to take my sell trade, as now we have broken below the previous lows right here. The price did react from the double bottom, but in a downtrend, when the price pushes up and reverse, or after a bounce, it just continued to push down. So for the bearish signal, all you need to see a bearish engulfing pattern. Now, if the push up is strong enough and the price is break above 50 EMA and close as well, in that case, we have a very likely chance the price will now head towards a level of next resistance, which is right up there, which I'm going to mention in my next upcoming videos. For now, let's see how we have a next candle. If we have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, that will be my sell signal, and I will go short something like this. If we have a green and red engulfing candle, that will be a short-term bearish signal. Again, we are still bullish long-term, looking at a weekly bullish engulfing pattern and still above the support and bullish cross. So that is why on long-term we are still bullish, but on a short-term we can still look for the bearish pullback entries if we have that below 50 EMA. So still bullish, nicely reacted from the double bottom pattern, and now pushing up, and below 50 EMA, bearish engulfer is my signal for my next entry condition. Now here on Nymex, price bounced up from the level of previous anchor and above 50 EMA. So for now, as we are above 50 EMA, all I'm looking for, let me remove this little anchor area just to make the charts clear and easy. Now, all I'm looking at the level of resistance, which is right up there, and right here, which is 2.990, goes to 2.3.126. I'm expecting a price to head higher and hit this level of resistance. But for that, I want to see a complete break above 50 EMA, which has been broken, in 20 EMA as well. If we have that, I just want to see a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. If we have a bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA after some more momentum, in that case, we'll have a valid buy signal exactly like this. If we have a condition like this after a pullback like this, in that case, I will go long. So only long trades once we have a buy signal. But here on Nymex platform, not looking for short-term sell trades, but buy trades if we have a buying conditions. Conditions are all I'm looking at. Here on Oanda, a weird opening here on Oanda, and right here we are still above this level of support. So if we have a bearish engulfing candle, in that case, we'll have a sell signal short term, and price will then push down, and I will go 1 to 2 ATR for my targets. Very simple. Bearish signal below 50 EMA will be my sell signal. If we are broken above, let's say the push up is strong enough and we are broken above 50 EMA, then I'm looking at the level above right here for the next counter trend sell trade with bearish engulfers at double top entry pattern. So keep an eye and see if you have a bearish engulfer or not. If not, then if you are broken above, we are just looking for the bullish trades till we are at the level of resistance. So still long-term bullish, but we're looking for the bearish short-term trades. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now just ranging, and as you can see, we have a pattern right here. Now, like I mentioned in my last video, we have this little yellow box. If we are broken and closed below with a solid candle, if the candle closes below, that will be a sell aggressive signal, and price will likely to push down to this level of support, which is right here, as you can see the numbers in blue. Once the price hit this level, I will start to look for my bullish engulfers and double bottom entry condition for my buy trades. For now, let's see if we have a break and close below. But if you're not an aggressive trader, just want to see a break and close below followed by a pullback, followed by a bearish engulfing pattern, that will be a less aggressive entry, which is my favorite entry as well. If you have that, that will be a very good sell signal, and I will go short till here, but my initial targets will be again 1 to 2 ATR. Now, very important, if you are broken above, and we are broken above 20 EMA as well, in that case I'll start to see buy condition only, and price will likely to push up and continue to push up in this trend. So a crucial area here, break below will push the price lower, and break above will push the price higher likely. But for both conditions, I want to see my entry patterns. Here on silver, we are about to get to the level of support, which I'm still looking at, which is 31.42 goes to 32.19. Now, once the price gets to this level, followed by bullish engulfers at double bottom, I will go long for my trade. So keep an eye. If you have a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I will go short term till here. Look for the buy condition from this area, which I've just mentioned. Lastly, we have crude oil. Crude oil is still ranging, as you can see, pushed up from the level of support nicely and forming a bearish candle, not an engulfing candle. I'm also looking at the head and shoulder pattern bullish here, but for that, price must hit my termination zone right here. And once the price hit my termination zone, I want to see a pullback form a right shoulder. So we do have left shoulder head. For the right shoulder to form, price must hit my termination zone, then pull back, form a right shoulder, and from where I will start to see my bullish trade. So keep an eye on this pattern as well. Rejection is must from this termination zone. So I won't be taking any trades unless we are broken above these highs for my buy trades or broken below these low for my sell trade. But in general, we are bullish as we are above 50 EMA and 20 EMA. If we have a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, that will be still an entry, buy entry, but a very weak signal. So it's totally up to you if you want to enter that trade. For now, expect a pullback above 50 EMA. If you have a bullish engulfer, that will be a buy signal. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.